Now, let's look at the question. Find sine s minus t given that sine s is negative 1/2 with s in quadrant 4 and sine t is 1/4 with t is in quadrant 2. First of all, when we see sine s, we need cosine s. By using the picture, we need value first, then figure out the sign for cosine s. Sine s absolute value is 1/2. That's opposite side over hypotenuse. Then we shall have adjacent is radical 3 because radical 3 squared is 3 plus 1 squared, which is 1. 1 plus 3 is 4, which is 2 squared. So cosine s is actually radical 3 over 2. And is that positive or negative? S is in quadrant 4. Cosine s is positive in quadrant 1 and 4. So positive. Sine t is 1/4. In this picture, we have an opposite side over hypotenuse. That's sine. Here you will mark the angle here, which is actually t. Okay, sine t is 1/4. Then the adjacent will be radical 15, because radical 15 squared is 15. 1 squared is 1. 1 plus 15 is 16, which is 4 squared. So then cosine t will be adjacent, radical 15 over 4. Positive or negative? Because t is in quadrant 2. So cosine t then is negative in quadrant 2 and 3. So we have a negative here. Sine t is positive in quadrant 1 and 2. So sine t can be positive 1/4. Now we are ready to do sine s minus t. When you see sine, here is negative, here will be negative. Then you remember your formula will be sine, cosine, cosine, sine. Fill in s in the first place and t in the second place. That's the way I remember. You should read in the same way. Sine, sine, cosine, cosine, sine. Okay? Subtraction, which is opposite with cosine. Cosine here is subtraction, here is addition. And then first angle is S, fill in here. Second T, put it here. Now put correct value. Sine S, negative 1/2. Cosine T, negative radical 15 over 4. Subtract cosine S, radical 3 over 2. Sine T, 1/4, right here. Negative, negative, you have a positive. 1 times radical 15, positive. Now, negative radical 3 times 1, that's negative radical 3, divided by 8, which is 2 times 4. Denominators are the same, which is 4, so you put 8 here. Then which one is the answer? Positive radical 15 and negative radical free. Okay, so that should be the one right here. All right, I'll see you next time.